EMS Apparels Limited. A pleasant ride from Shah Jalal International Airport to Kashimpur, Gazipur. It's the manufacturing facility of EMS Apparels Limited, a cut-to-pack knit garment and accessories factory. A sister concern of Multifabs Limited, EMS has developed this eco-friendly project as its green commitment, strictly applying the platinum category requirements of LEED prescribed by the US Green Building Council. The twinkling touch of nature and its tranquility is conceptualized by the workers and officials who are inspired with every element of nature. EMS Apparels has accumulated several prestigious awards and accolades as it complies with local and international standards such as LEED Platinum, Accord, Oikotex, Standard 100, Amphori BSCI, FSC, CT-PAT, SEDEX, GRS, GOTS, OCS and RCS certification, and thus renowned buyers express thorough confidence in EMS, collaborating with it regularly. Its clientele spreads all over Europe. The factory building have all the measures and features to ensure safety, security and good working environment for the people working here. A few of the features of this green project: the buildings are constructed with reusable construction materials, include using renewable energy, energy-efficient machinery, LED bulbs, busbar electric wiring are used here, fresh air through air ventilation system, and energy-efficient chiller to keep room temperature below 30 degrees Celsius. EMS has installed double-glazed glasses in their windows to prevent heat ingress and enable adequate daylight within the buildings. It harvests rainwater, preserves it in a reservoir, and uses it. Solid waste management and wastewater treatment plant are some of the eco-sustainable commitments of EMS Apparels. Enough open space for fresh air with flora and fauna, along with an organic vegetable garden and water fountain, add to its pleasant and healthy ambience. A playground is there to play different games and sports. To ensure uninterrupted power supply for all the operations here, EMS has a standby power supply unit. In addition, EMS burns its own fabric wastes in its boiler to provide sufficient steam to its ironing section. This is how the factory is successful in reducing carbon emission. EMS Apparels contributes in the advancement of the local livelihood. All the 2,000 workforce live nearby. They enjoy the ease of going to work on foot or by other green methods of transportation. A cycle stand is there for the workers to keep their cycles. Realizing the key role its workers play in its success, EMS prioritizes its workers with optimum attention. They are provided with canteen and dining facilities. They can also roam around the green premises to enjoy their leisure time during tea break. A fair price shop is available for the workers to buy their daily needs from this subsidized and non-profitable concern. Childcare, free medical checkups, free medicines, sanitary napkin for female workers and maternity facilities are available here with breastfeeding corner. Ambulance is available for the employees free of cost. Salaries are given through ATM booth. With fire exits with wide staircases, auto fire pump, fire detection system, fire control panel, fire hydrant, auto sprinkler, PA system and CCTV, etc. Regular training is organized to keep the workforce prepared for health and fire hazards. EMS Apparels runs regular training sessions to keep its people trained and ready for effective emergency evacuations. The Workers' Participation Committee is of utmost importance here. Through this committee, workers' rights and responsibilities are established at the factory. The management of the factory accomplishes pre-production meetings detailing an action plan and allocating specific jobs to each department. Most sophisticated and latest internet connectivity as well as enterprises resource planning ERP system are part of efficiency factors here in EMS Apparels. EMS offers printing solutions. Using German technology, it offers offset printing and thermal printing solutions together. In its narrow fabric unit, EMS produces elastic and elastic lace with printing, all types of twill tape, drawstring, cord, ribbon with and without printing. It produces all types of woven labels and printed labels, catering to the buyer's specifications. EMS uses recycled yarn for woven labels and also uses recycled ribbon for printed labels. To produce sewing threads, EMS uses machines of renowned makers. It produces different types of threads. These threads are azo-free. EMS produces a very wide range of polybags, including printed side-sealed bags, to satisfy its buyers' niche requirements. The waste polybags and materials are reused as a sustainable commitment. EMS embroidery section uses 110-headed Tajima machines from Japan for embroidery. It stitches 20,000 panels per day, as per the buyer's desire. The cutting room is equipped with auto fabric relaxing, auto spreader and auto cutting machines to maximize productivity. Fabric cutting takes place in bulk, ensuring optimal utilization of fabrics. It has a capacity of 32,000 pieces of garment each day. EMS has 20 lines to ensure ultimate production excellence in sewing without compromise, where about 520 skilled people are working in 520 machines in an ideal environment to produce about 800,000 pieces of high quality and diverse types of knit garments in casual as well as fashion ranges every month. EMS has got all the special types of sewing machinery necessary to remain ahead in the contemporary knitwear industry worldwide. The apparel finishing section is meant for continuous quality surveillance. At present, it is working at the AQL of less than 1.5. Each piece of apparel is subject to passing through thorough inspections. Here at the CT-PAT enclosure for quality and metal-free status. Apparels are packed carefully while inspections are done to ensure necessitated quality. EMS is applying contemporary technology of moisture control. Garments are put into dehumidified condition for a certain period in the packaging section. It prevents garments from gathering moisture and mold. Under constant surveillance, EMS Apparels carries the export cargoes to the correct destinations through its own logistic fleet on time. EMS is moving forward with its creative minds inspired with nature.
EMS Apparels Limited, we are committed to reducing our carbon footprint and promoting sustainable practices. From sourcing of raw materials to the final product, we prioritize environmental responsibilities. Our state-of-the-art facilities utilize energy-efficient technologies, and we actively reduce and recycle waste to minimize the impact on our environment. We take great pride in producing high-quality knit items and garments accessories, and we are committed to providing our customers with products that not only look or feel good but also do good. By choosing EMS Apparels Limited, you can feel confident that you are making a responsible and sustainable choice for both people and the planet.
With a firm conviction of ensuring quality products and services, embellishing growth throughout the fashion world.